Young chef's influence, check the madness on Instagram. I have lost 20 kgs during the shoot of Masterchef, and it is not that difficult. So we're going to learn lot from this. Today we're going to make no oil chicken biryani. Yeah, you heard it right. Make it like a pulao but little bit juicy so that you can enjoy it thoroughly. So for this, for 2 cups of rice, usually I suggest 4 cups of water, but here you can add 6 cups of water. Add salt. Add mint leaf, coriander leaf, shai jeera, pinch of turmeric, ginger garlic paste, a little bit of chilli powder, green chilli for that extra spice, a little bit of chicken masala or garam masala, and chicken, and onions. Let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Golden rule for oilless cooking is eat it right away. It tastes best when it is just freshly cooked. No one can say there is no oil because the fragrance is so good. In this, make it even more healthy, I'm going to add some vegetables, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes. Flavor it even better by adding some curd. Add the rice. I'm using regular rice, not even basmati, but the amount of water is not 2 times, more than that. And mix it. Now we're going to cook this for more than 2 whistles, that is 3 whistles, then switch it off. You want this to be nice and juicy so that you can thoroughly enjoy it. No oil biryani or raita, enjoy it with chatpata raita, some chaat masala, salt, chili, chopped coriander, chopped tomato, and onion. A boomba, I can eat all of it by myself. Everybody wants to be a pataka during this festival season, and my thali really is helping me. People from all over the world have taken my thali challenge. Somebody wants to lose weight, somebody wants to build immunity. But har dost kamina hota hai. My friend Arun Rajan from Canada has taken my thali challenge and is challenging me to do the ulta greetings. The yoga expert, business entrepreneur, he keeps sending me these pictures and asking me to do the ulta greetings. Arun Rajan, I have done your ulta greetings, Sirasana. You better continue and spread the word of my thali. 3 whistles and switch off the flame. The experts at my thali tell that you eat what you love. Full portion, that means full nutrition, but limited portion. My roti and my other food items, 2 katoris, I'm going to remove it and add full portion of oilless biryani loaded with vegetables. Fresh, steaming hot, 2 katoris gone, same portion. And Dr. Meghana Pasi will call me and tell me you don't stuff your portions. But that's okay. Biryani hai na? And slightly overcooked. Full portion, full nutrition and perfect portion. 20 kgs. Losing 20 kgs comes with a simple secret. Throw away all the packed foods. No cookies, no chips, nothing. And no leftovers in the fridge. Always cook fresh and eat. This mantra worked for me. Try if it works for you. When it is hot and fresh, it gets super tasty. With full of vegetables, it's even more better. When it is fresh and hot, no oil, no problem. Super tasty. Wow. Don't forget your fresh fruits for the day. We will have a lengthy conversation for a healthy lifestyle, but do follow us on Instagram. The links are given in the description. Young chef's influence, check the madness on Instagram.